list of things that a lot of people had wrong on their drawings. And if it's not you, don't take it personally, but if it was you, you just learn from this. Remember that your title block needs to stand alone. So if somebody took one of your pages from this and wanted to reach you to ask a question, or maybe they're only working on this, can they find you? Yep, Jeannie's got her email address and she's got her phone number. I know who the client is, so I could find her. So be sure that when you design a title block, and remember you can keep using the same one over and over again. Make copies of it. Leave the part blank that says project. And she already did that. And probably some people did too, but if you haven't yet, fine tune your title block and make one that you can keep using over and over again.
So we need a phone number on there.
Well, it doesn't have to be your phone number, but when you are actually doing drawings, someone needs to be able to reach you. So put something on there. I mean, you can put a fake phone number on if you want for class, but what if they want to send you a check? Maybe they need your real address to put a fake one on there too.
How do you type those title blocks?
You can type them, yeah, or you can
I would use your beautiful hand lettering, but that would be just my own preference.
I forget who it is.
Again, if you can copy it.
That's what I did, but if it gets a little bit bad, you copy so many times.
No, you only copy it once. You make one time. Somebody has a beautiful, I know, it's Vatine. On your title block for the other project, you had, I'm looking for it on this one, you have a little graphic symbol that you've designed. Well, you only have to draw that once now. It's beautiful. You could use it every time.
I don't know how to do that. No, I don't know how to copy title block. I have to have my everything, each page.
No.
Do one on a nice piece of vellum, and your name, your company, and then say client, leave that blank. Say date, leave that blank, and then page number. So
It's a template, in other words.
Your
And
template.
take it to a good copy place, not Cambridge, not Staples.
So that's your template. So all you have to do is tape it onto your drawing, and then when you
Go and make a copy. You haven't spent an hour
you
doing
just
it
fill
yet.
in, okay, it's the Robinsons this time, it's not the Nelsons anymore, it's, that's changed. But you just keep using a template.
How long do you make those? So let's say you have everything in.
Beg pardon?
How long can it be? Can it fill the full side of the page?
Yes, every title block should fill, like, for example, this is a great example of a border around your page. And the title block, this one is horizontal, fills the entire page. And here's one that goes vertically. And again, it should go top to bottom. You could add a border around the outside edge, and that would dress it up and do the presentation just that much more.
Right, mix goes across the bottom, make it straight complete, but it probably needs like a bar around it, so it really looks like a title block.
Well, what's mine is missing is the word client.
It could be client or project, and that word is little.
It's tiny.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't put that into any of my title blocks.
Okay, it was on the examples we handed out ages ago, but it's easy to overlook as you're
So
trying to
sometimes
fill
go
it in.
backwards, and because now you know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
And last thing was, there are a lot of people who still aren't really showing any ground covers. They're showing a lot of lawn, and they're showing some perennials, and they're showing a few shrubs, but they aren't showing any ground covers. So you need to learn how to do and Reed has about 400 different ground covers in there. You're gonna get the no mulch rule in some of your classes coming up soon. So if you don't want too much grass and you need to start filling in all kinds of wonderful ground covers.
Remember this handout that showed, here's a cross-hatching ground cover, here's the one where you move your horizontal bar down and you do the little squiggle. Here's another,
But there's a whole bunch in
there's
here.
a whole bunch
But
of
shouldn't
read.
ground cover only represent literally ground cover and not if it really isn't, if there's really obviously mulch? So you're kind of faking somebody out. Can there be ground cover there?
No, there's probably going to be ground cover there.
What do you mean?
Well, if you continue in this program, you'll be an advocate of no mulch also, but, that would be our goal in life.
Because it would make it
to-
seem like I'm somehow planting ivy or some other ground cover in between the perennials, which no.
Well, you put it on the plan and then it was, wait, you're gonna charge me $750 for a tray English ivy? Take that out. And you'd be like, okay.
No, you're gonna use native ground covers.
More ivy.
More ivy. Anyway, so
yeah.
yes, so you need to use
So
ground
just get
cover.
in the habit of covering the page, and your client will dictate how much gets paid for in the first round. And then you can stage it and do it 3 years in a row and still have that client for 3 years, so it'll be perfect.
Okay, that was the end of my list of things that must be.
Okay, any other questions, recap wise?
Everybody picked up their projects that have just been graded, so that's project number 4, and here we have project number 5.